Oh, hey! It's episode number 6 of Taya's 12 Days of Christmas. Hi guys, it's your girl TayaLatrice and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, me and my hubby are going to be making holiday popcorn balls.
Popcorn balls.
Have you ever made these before?
Nope, this is my first time.
So this is going to be our first time together, y'all, making these popcorn balls. I love popcorn and I think I love these popcorn balls. Okay. So, first thing first, this would be a great activity if you have like kids and stuff. So go get your kids, go get these ingredients I'm about to tell you about, and y'all sit down and make y'all some popcorn balls. This is a fun activity. It's something different outside of just making Christmas cookies and gingerbread houses every year. Do something different, okay?
Get the children, your children love it. Get the children.
Right, get your kiddies, okay? So first thing, of course, you're gonna need popcorn. I got two different kinds. I got the movie theater butter and I got the kettle corn. Y'all, I love kettle corn popcorn. So good. And I love movie theater butter popcorn. But anyways, you need those. You don't have to do both. I just wanted to be fancy, so I got both, okay? You'll need some cooking spray, some butter. Butter. Gonna need your marshmallows. Yeah, marshy marshmallows. And I got the little ones, the mini ones. Yeah. Coloring, food coloring. Now this is optional, but you know it's gonna make it look better. It's gonna make it look nice and pretty, okay? So get your food coloring, get you some candy canes. This is optional too. And some sprinkles. This is optional, okay? But you do need the rubber spatula. Okay, because that's gonna help you.
And
so
you're gonna need your parchment paper.
Yeah, your wax paper. Get your wax paper, y'all. It's gonna help to make things not stick. Okay. So first thing what you want to do now, we already done did this step, okay? You want to spray your little cooking spray on your little spatula, your rubber spatula, and on your wax paper. Okay, that's what you want to do first. Next, you want to take your little butter and you want to cut two tablespoons or shot. Well, I'm gonna do 4.
Yeah, 4 would be better because people like that little buttery tasting with the marshmallows.
So do 4 tablespoons of butter, y'all.
Yeah, you know, we thought it was thick enough for real.
You want to do a half a stick of butter. A half a stick of butter. Okay?
Yeah, it'd be enough.
And then you want to do 4 cups of marshmallows, y'all. I ain't measuring nothing, okay? I'm just about to start pouring.
Pretty much when you cook, some people follow directions, but it's pretty much all about how much you like it or taste or flavor. This it's all to your discretion, to your likeness.
You think that's enough?
No, I don't think not. Once you microwave, it's gonna shrink. It's gonna, you know.
So y'all, you gotta throw this in the microwave. So I'm gonna throw this in the microwave real quick, and then I'm gonna be back. Okay, guys. So I got the marshmallows right here. They're nice and melted, and I stirred them up real good. Y'all know. Make sure they're all nice and melted. Now you want to add in your food coloring. Should we do red or green?
We do red because you got the green sparkles.
Okay, so we're gonna do red food coloring into our marshmallows. Move that out the way so y'all can see.
Okay, let's see how that turns out.
I don't know how many drops that was. You just got eyeball it, okay? You just got eyeball it.
You must whip it, now whip it, to whip it good. You must whip it good. You must whip it, now whip it into shape.
Okay. And you pour some over the popcorn. So we're gonna work with the butter first. The butter popcorn.
Pour, people, pour. Dang, it do look good though.
Look at that, y'all. And then you just mix it around with your spatula and coat the popcorn.
Maybe she got a bigger bowl.
Yeah, I put too much popcorn in these bowls. I'm doing a little bit at a time. I'm just working on this little area right here, this little corner of the bowl. I got too much popcorn in here. Y'all gotta learn from my mistakes, okay? Like I said, my first time making it. So, you gotta learn from my mistakes. Okay. Now, I'm gonna scoop it together and make a ball. It's about to be sticky. Trying to make a good sized ball.
Well, with my big old hands, it's gonna be more of a big size ball. It's gonna be like a basketball.
Okay.
Is it real sticky?
Not really. Is that how it's supposed to look? I think so. I don't know. Y'all don't know.
Let me put some more in there. Oh, full of pork.
Oh no!
Yeah, we should put more marshmallows in there.
Now let's dig in.
Yeah, it's a mess. It's gonna come apart, but you gotta let it set so it hardens up some. And you know what? We might have to take some of this popcorn and put it in that. I think it might be too much. No marshmallow now. Yeah.
Okay, I think this was a fail.
Well, you can make popcorn patties.
I think this was a fail, y'all. But I'm no loser.
Well, here, add some of this popcorn in with that. Yeah, we're gonna just do patties instead of balls because it's not sticking well enough to hold together as a ball. Okay.
Well, we should at least try. Tastes good. This tastes real good.
Okay.
Yeah, when all else fails, just eat the popcorn. It's good, ain't it? Really? Well, we don't have to make a bowl. We can just eat the popcorn like that. I mean, this is really good. Even though we couldn't get it to make a bowl. Maybe we used too much marshmallow. Maybe we should just use a little bit.
No. Not too much marshmallows.
Too much of what? We did something wrong here. We didn't follow that recipe good. Maybe we shouldn't have been eyeballing. We should have been measuring to a T. Okay, y'all. So we still have the kettle corn. So we're going to come back. We're going to try it all again with the kettle corn. Stay tuned. Let me see this spray. Y'all, at this point, we're just messing. Really making a mess. That's what we do. In case you were wondering, we're just making a mess at this point, okay? So if you actually want to make popcorn, holiday popcorn balls, you might want to find a video where the people actually know what they doing. You know what I'm saying? That this ain't their first time doing it. Cause yeah,
basically it's just about having fun.
Yeah,
something to do.
Something to do. Spending time together, making memories with your hubby and your family.
Now I can't touch nothing because my hands is all sticky and gooey.
He can't touch nothing, y'all. Maybe I should make a little ball.
But I did make one ball that's sitting right there. Like it's holding together.
Yeah, here go his ball, y'all. And then my ball, it fell apart on camera or off camera, and I tried to put it back together, y'all. But it don't look the same. You probably can tell. But oh, this is a mess. Hold on, maybe I should hold this one.
Yeah.
Ooh, your hands are sticky. Okay, y'all, so about to eat it.
Look at that. I'm gonna touch you. It's really quite fun, really. So it doesn't matter if it's a fail or not. The point is, something you can do together, kill time. It's fun, enjoyable, especially with kids. Now, if you have a short temper, please just be patient if you're doing with children. Because children are children. They're going to make mess. That's expected. But have fun with them. Let it be a memory for them to enjoy. They can always remember it and look back on it when they get older. And then when they get grown, they can do it with their kids. Kind of like a tradition.
Really good, y'all.
Yeah, it's really good.
Show the camera.
Okay, hold on. You ready, y'all? Look at this. Look at how they gooey. Oh, it's falling everywhere.
You making a big mess. You gonna be cleaning this up. Bye, y'all.
Leave me hanging.